In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple text-to-speech interface in Lovable using a TTS API. We're going to walk through the full setup in a clean and practical way, so by the end, you'll have a text input, a submit button, and audio playback working directly in your preview. This is a great starting point if you want to turn typed text into spoken audio inside your app. The first thing you need is an API key from a text-to-speech provider. You can use a service like 11 Labs or the OpenAI Audio API, depending on which platform you prefer. To get started, sign in to your chosen provider, go to the developer or API section, and generate a key for your project. This key allows Lovable to securely connect to the text-to-speech service and request audio generation. Make sure you keep that key private and avoid placing it directly into your visible app interface or sharing it publicly. Once you have the key, head over to Lovable and open your project. From there, go into Project Settings and then open the Secrets section. This is where you store private credentials safely. Paste your API key into Secrets so your project can access the text-to-speech provider without exposing sensitive information in the front end. This is an important best practice and helps keep your integration secure while still making it usable in your app. After that, you're ready to tell Lovable what to build. In the prompt area, enter this instruction. Create a text input interface with a submit button that sends text to 11 Labs TTS and plays back the returned audio URL. This prompt clearly explains the interface you want and the behavior you expect. Lovable should then generate a simple UI where a user can type text, submit it, trigger a text-to-speech request, and receive playable audio in return. Once the interface has been created, the final step is to test everything inside the preview window. Type something into the input box and submit it. Then watch for the audio playback controls to appear. If everything is connected properly, you should see the player render and be able to play the generated audio response. Take a moment to verify that the text is being accepted, the request completes successfully, and the playback control appears as expected. If something doesn't work right away, double check that your API key was saved correctly in Secrets and that the generated interface is pointing to the right text-to-speech service. With that done, you should now have a working text-to-speech input flow inside Lovable.